I am Uday Bhons. Welcome to you to your favorite YouTube channel, Uday Bhons English, or Learn English with Uday Bhons. Today's topic is the preliminary part of yes, no interrogative and WH interrogative. What is interrogative? What is interrogative? Or first we should know. The sentence that asks a question is an interrogative. The sentences that ask questions are interrogatives. Example: are you mad? And this particular sentence, are you mad? It asks a question. And as it asks a question, so it is an interrogative. And if I shall ask you this question, that are you mad? That means all of you must reply me, no, sir, we are not mad. Because no one tries to identify himself, public, herself as mad. But if you ask me the same question, are you mad? And my reply will be yes. Because nowadays, don't mind, because nowadays in the present society, everyone is mad. Why? Some of the people are mad for knowledge, and some others are mad for property, and a few others are mad for money, etc. And also some other persons, they are mad for what? I do not want to expose you. Okay. So as this particular sentence asks a question, so it is an interrogative sentence. Then example number two, that is, what is your name? What is your name? And this particular sentence also asks a question. And as it asks a question, so it is also an interrogative sentence. Now a question arises about the classification of interrogatives. How many types of interrogatives are there in English? So far as the classification is concerned, we can say that there are two types of interrogatives in English, and they are yes, no interrogative and WH interrogative. And what is yes, no interrogative? The interrogative that has the response of either yes or no, and that is yes, no interrogative. Yes, are you mad? And are you mad? If we ask this particular question, the answer must be yes or no. I have told you before. So this is especially a yes-no interrogative, because it has the response means reply. It has the reply or response of either yes or no. And it is the special feature of yes-no interrogative that it begins with an auxiliary verb, and that is are. That means as it begins with an auxiliary verb, so it is a yes-no interrogative, because it is the special feature of the yes-no interrogatives that they always begin with auxiliary verbs. I think that perhaps yes-no interrogative is clear to you. Next, I shall proceed towards WH interrogative. And especially, what is WH interrogative? The WH interrogative, that means especially most of the people or most of the students say that the interrogatives, that means those line I can see, most of the students think that the interrogatives that begin with the interrogatives that begin with WH words. And what are WH words? What, which, when, where, who, whose, whom, etc. And these are the WH words. The interrogatives that begin with WH words, and they are WH interrogatives, people say. But now a question arises. Why are these items called WH words? Because these items begin with the letters W and H. Only for this reason they are WH words. But now a question arises. If they begin with WH words, what? WHAT, and where? WHERE. And if they begin with WH words, okay, WH letters. Now a question arises regarding how. It does not begin with W and H. Why are we called how as the WH words? But it will be better on the part of us to say the interrogatives that begin with question pronouns. Question pronouns mean what, where, who, whose, etc. These are the question pronouns. So the interrogatives that begin with question pronouns are WH interrogatives. So perhaps I think that yes, no interrogative and WH interrogative, its preliminary part is clear to you. If you think this channel will be helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.